Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Mazzio's ranch dressing full guide. Gather 1 cup mayonnaise, 1 cup sour cream, 1 cup buttermilk, 1 tsp garlic powder, 1 tsp onion powder, 2 tablespoons dried parsley, and 1 tsp salt. Whisk until smooth, chill 30 minutes, and adjust seasoning to taste. Use immediately or store in a sealed container for up to 1 week. Enjoy. Start with chilled ingredients for a thicker texture and brighter flavor. Measure herbs precisely and taste as you go, adding salt or acidity to balance. If you prefer a thinner dressing, thin with extra buttermilk, a tablespoon at a time. For extra freshness, fold in 1 tablespoon finely chopped chives or dill right before serving. Keep batch sizes moderate to ensure freshness and avoid overmixing to preserve texture. Quick recommendation: if you drive to pick up ingredients, keep your car smelling fresh with Little Tree's black ice. It pairs surprisingly well with ranch runs. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more recipes you enjoy. Check the description for the link and other deals on handy items. Appreciate you. Now let's get back to the video. Add smoky heat by stirring in 1 tsp smoked paprika and a dash of hot sauce for a spicy ranch variant. For a lighter option, replace half the mayonnaise with Greek yogurt and reduce salt. To make a dipping sauce, increase sour cream ratio and add 1 tsp lemon juice for brightness. Try 1/4 cup chopped crispy bacon for a savory twist. Always taste and tweak before serving. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.